Hey boos, welcome back. So today I am back with another fall vibe video. We are going to be totally redoing my vanity back here, decorating it for fall. We're going to be taking everything off. I got some super cute fall inspired vanity decor. So yeah, grab you a pumpkin spice, something fall vibes. Let's go ahead and hop in. And if you're new here and you enjoy today's video, if you like pink, if you like girly, if you like shopping, hauls, we do a lot of that stuff over here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on bell notifications. Okay, let's go ahead and hop straight in. So before we hop into the vanity and all, like, I need to clean it, we need to decorate, let me show you guys what we're working with here. I've been waiting on this package to even start decorating my vanity. If you've been following my channel for a while, then you've heard me rave about For Her Vanity. She sent me the most gorgeous package for fall. These are fall themed makeup organizers. This is the Fall in Love collection. So this right here is actually, like, I'm gonna use this. Oh, I think I'm gonna display this somewhere in my room. It's wood, it's very heavy, but let me show you the makeup organizers. So this one is my all-time favorite. She actually had this one a couple years back, and this was before I got on her PR list. I have always wanted it. It's this little pumpkin spice, and you can put brushes in it. You could put whatever you want to, but it goes on your vanity. You can organize your makeup with it. I think I'm going to put my brushes in this one. And then we've got this pumpkin inspired one. This one is just like a general, you could put whatever you wanted to. Setting sprays, foundation, whatever. It's kind of giving me Cinderella vibes. And then over here we've got this one. So this is for like lipsticks. And then also you could do brushes, but look at this. So you got your lipsticks right there. And then on this other side you could do your brushes in that. And I already had to get the squirrel out before I even started decorating the vanity because it was just too cute. So this is for palettes, and I'm going to do like my Too Faced palettes in there, but it's this little squirrel. How cute is it with a little pink bow and everything? So yeah, we need to get everything off of my vanity. I need to wipe everything down, and then we are going to start decorating. So we have everything clean. We got our blank canvas ready to start decorating. I got this fall garland up. So I had the hardest time trying to figure out what I was going to do. I'm going to do something different when it comes to Halloween, but for fall, I knew I wanted some type of leaves, and finding pink ones, they're just non-existent. So I got this leaf garland from Hobby Lobby, and I spent like 2 hours yesterday painting it. And I know that sounds crazy, but you would not believe how much those leaves soak up the paint. And then I got this little garland up here that has pumpkins from Amazon. I had thought about going down on each side and then coming at the bottom, but I decided not to and just leave it like that. So yeah, I feel like it turned out cute. So now for the fun part, we get to decorate. I pulled some of the stuff I know for sure I'm going to put up here, and I want to start first organizing this little lipstick organizer because this drawer over here, let me show you guys how packed. Like, your girl needs to do a vanity clean out, don't judge me. But yeah, we got a ton of lipsticks, and then I have another one in the third drawer, so I'm going to pull some of these, organize that. I'll probably speed it up because it would take forever, and then we'll get to the rest of this and figure out where we're going to display that little wood canvas thing. I'm thinking I might do that actually up top on my bookshelf and take some of that down, but I don't know. not gonna lie, I'm kind of obsessed with the way it turned out. I feel like everything is just flowing together so good. Let me show you guys a backup view and then I will go over everything on the vanity. What do you think? Okay, so I've got some pumpkins over on this side over here, and then starting out, so you guys already saw the garland that I did up here. Right up here we got some pumpkins, and then I put these little leaves with the gold pumpkins in the middle. I just kind of taped those onto my mirror. And then down here at the bottom, so I didn't display, I got a lot of stuff that I keep in my main drawers that like I do use every day. So I just put out some of my fall palettes over here. But starting from the left, we've got my jewelry organizer from Charlotte that I love. Like that has to stay on my vanity. And then we've got this candle, this pumpkin candle from TJ Maxx. And then over here, I keep my perfumes out. Like I have to have those. Those are my go-to like every day. So I kept that the same, but I've got this super cute mug I plan on using. I just thought this would be cute displayed too. I got this at Target the other day for $3. Is this not the cutest? I wish I could paint that pink. I missed out on the ones. Walmart had some last year that were pink and I missed out, but anyways. And then for her vanity organizer right here, I just put in like some of my setting sprays, and then we did some of my skincare, like my Kiehl's and stuff. Over on this side, we've got a lot of my pumpkin palettes. So let me pull this chair out and show you guys. So we got some Too Faced. We got this one from TJ Maxx. Actually, both of these were from TJ Maxx last year, and I think Marshall's too. So I put those in the middle. And then we got my what is this? The Juicy Couture Sucre one, this perfume. I love it in the fall because it smells like vanilla cupcakes, and I don't know why, it just kind of gives me fall vibes. And then I'm really obsessed with how the pumpkin spice brush organizer turned out. So I put my bling brushes in here, and I just think it looks perfect. We got this little ghost candle that we found at TJ Maxx displayed over here. And then my Too Faced palettes and stuff are all in the little palette organizer. How cute is that? And I got my lipsticks over here. So I will have to turn them when I need to grab one. But that was the only spot I really could I could just really display it. So I'm just going to have to deal with that. I didn't change anything up in my wallet drawer. I know there would be somebody that would be like, why didn't you open it up? So these are like some of my most favorite wallets. So I always just keep those displayed there until I get my pack system, which I desperately need. But yeah, I need to do a vanity clean out. So if you guys would want to see one of those, let me know down in the comments, because the inside of my vanity drawers are an absolute wreck. But yeah. What do we think of how it turned out? I got one last thing I need to do. I need to figure out where I'm going to put that canvas. So I'm going to show you guys a quick little shot of the vanity one more time, and then we're going to try to figure out where we're going to put that. Okay, so you guys remember what it looked like before. Here we've got that canvas up top. It's looking a little cluttered. Here is the before and after. I feel like that really ties in great with that right there, being with the vanity, and it just kind of pulled everything together. I love that it came with that extra piece. And oh, I forgot to mention, I'm gonna link her website shop in my description box. She is closed at the moment. She's moving locations, but she's gonna be back before Christmas. So if you guys want to follow her shop or anything, definitely don't forget about that because her Christmas collection, I am so excited to see it. Okay, you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you for hanging out with me. I hope you all have a great Sunday, a great start to your week. If you have any video requests or anything, leave them down in the comments. I'm always looking for something new. And drop me some little leaf emojis down there too to let me know you stayed to the end. That is it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you back here on my next one. Bye, loves.